In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple pop-up text animation in Premiere Pro. I've already added a background video to my timeline, and now I want to add some animated text on top of it. Start by selecting the text tool and clicking anywhere in the preview window. Type the text you want to use. If you want to center your text within the text box, just double-click on the text, and then click the horizontal and vertical alignment icons in the floating toolbar. This will place your text exactly in the middle of the bounding box. To reposition it, switch to the selection tool and drag it where you want. Hold down Ctrl while dragging to activate the alignment guides and help you center it more precisely. If you want to change when the text appears, just move the text layer in the timeline. You can also adjust how long it stays on screen by trimming the end of the clip. Now let's add the animation. Make sure your text clip is selected, then open the Effect Controls panel. Scroll down to Transform, and set the scale to 0. Next, click the stopwatch next to Scale to create your first keyframe. Press the right arrow key 5 times to move ahead 5 frames, and change the scale to 125. This will make the text pop slightly larger than normal. Press the right arrow key 4 more times, and change the scale to 90 to give it a slight bounce back. Then press the arrow key 3 more times, and set the scale to 100 to settle it into its final size. Now when you play it back, you'll see a pop-up effect with a subtle bounce. If it's popping from the corner instead of the center, here's how to fix it. Select the text with the selection tool, then drag the anchor point circle into the middle of your text. Play it back again. Now the text animates from the center, and everything looks smooth. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.